Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to get a domain name from the Namecheap. Here you can go and type Namecheap and click here. This one is the official website namecheap.com. Here you can get domains, hosting packages and specialized hosting packages for the WordPress. You can get shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS and different other services. You can also get these email tools, marketing tools. You can also get the SSL certificates to secure your website. And these are some other additional services that you can get, like migration services. So here you can go and type any of the domain name. For example, let me type enablewebsitedesign.com. Then click here, search, and this domain that I have taken, so this should not be available. So make sure that domain that you are searching should be a unique name worldwide. For example, let me add here a domain name wonderwebsitedesign.com. So this domain is available, and here you can check the cost, almost $12. Here you can also see extensions that you can get, .org, .net, .ai, and on the right side you can check the cost for each domain. So after that, click here button add to cart, then checkout. You can also click here view item. Here you can select 1 year registration up to 10 year. So for each year you need to pay almost $10. Then click checkout. You can also get web hosting, and here you can see what you will get free: privacy protection. You can also add discount code here, and then click here confirm your order. Final step is you need to add your detail, then you need to make the payment. In this way you can easily get the domain name from Namecheap.